There is no doubt that turmeric is an extremely healthy spice, with numerous health benefits and remarkable properties, namely, it is rich in antioxidants and has powerful anti-inflammatory, cancer-fighting, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. Yet, it was now found to be incredibly effective in the treatment of depression, more powerful than any other conventional drug. Turmeric is also excellent for brain health. It reduces the risk of heart disease, and has been found to be quite useful in the case of depression. Furthermore, a clinical trial on the major depressive disorder, MDD, discovered that its active ingredient, curcumin, is equally effective as fluoxetine, which is a prescription drug with Prozac's generic form, but has no side effects. People with depression have higher levels of inflammation in the brain. Also, people with depression have lower levels of neurogenesis in the brain, implying they make fewer new brain cells than people with no history of depression. Curcumin is both a potent anti-inflammatory agent and a strong stimulator for neurogenesis. Numerous studies have established that the regular use of turmeric lowers inflammations in the body. The following turmeric lemonade is extremely effective, so this is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of freshly grated or powdered turmeric, 4 tablespoons of honey, or stevia, juice of 1½ lemons or limes, 4 cups of cold filtered or sparkling water. Method of preparation: in a small pitcher, add all ingredients and mix them. Serve the turmeric lemonade garnished with a slice of lemon.